Well, hello everyone. First of all, thank you so much for all your positive reviews and for liking my previous videos about color. In particular, colors of a gem. We talked about blue and how it upgrades our look as older women. And of course, we've talked about burgundy, deep crimson red. Not red, but in that shade, right? So today, we're going royal. Guess what color it is? Look at my eyeshadow. Very slight, but yes, of course, finally, I'm wearing something in theme. Because the previous episodes, I was talking about blue, and then I was wearing yellow. I was talking about burgundy. I was wearing tie-dye colors. So today I thought I should wear lavender because we are talking about purple. So yes, purple is transformative. If you really want to put some impact, almost like dramatic impact, then we are talking about purple. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Jackie D, and my goal is to help you feel good about yourself, to help you find your better version, especially if you are older, like 50 and up. I'm 63 years old and I've never felt more empowered until I actually turned, 59, 60. Prior to that, not so. But yes, now I'm more empowered, and that's why I'm sharing my vibe with you, because it feels good. It really feels good when you know that you have achieved something that makes you really proud of yourself. It doesn't have to be big milestones, as long as you already love yourself. And as long as you want to share your story, then that, my lovely friends, is an achievement. Okay, let's go talk about our topic. What does purple actually do to us who are older? Let's talk about colors. Let's just imagine colors. I'm going to put some photos here to help you, to help you visualize. But you can definitely close your eyes and just imagine, what kind of colors do you have in your wardrobe? So I went through my wardrobe, I was looking through, and I saw this. This is actually very light lavender. I don't know if it shows on screen, but there you go, very light lavender, and it has these leaves, so it's very floral. And I thought I should wear this, and then this time I'm in theme. I put some purple shadow, very light, and very light lavender. I think it shows. See the highlight? I just love putting makeup, because makeup is my playground, because you never know what you can create, right? And I really want to share that enthusiasm with you. Okay. Let's talk about clothes. How will purple add that sparkle into your total ensemble? If you're wearing purple or lavender with a little sheen, there you go. It becomes more elaborate, right? Of course, you don't want to wear sheen or glitters during the day unless they're very, very dainty. If you want to wear those glittery stuff, glittery fabric, you want to save it for evening wear, right? For an evening date, for a dinner date, for a party, for an event at night. The impact of a sparkling attire is just beyond words. You know what I feel when I go out and I know that I'm wearing something good, that I'm wearing something that I look good in, and that I carry the dress well? It really adds to my total confidence. I feel like I really want to step out there, go find people, go meet people, and have a little conversation, right? It boosts your morale. That's the effect on me when I know that I'm wearing something good. Doesn't have to be expensive. I'm all for what you have in your wardrobe. I'm all for what's on clearance, what's on sale, and I don't really go for branded items unless it's on sale. You can hear the footsteps of my dog. If you really want to wear branded items, you want to go check out whatever's on sale. Because, money is scarce, especially now. And we want to be really frugal and practical. The way you carry your clothes is what matters. Shoulders to the back, chin up, and always be proud of yourself. You know, you can wear any style of clothes. You can mix and match as long as the colors compensate with each other, right? Especially lavender, purple. They're not for everyone. They're also kind of choosy when it comes to what colors you're going to match them with. For me, particularly, the best colors would be very light beige. White is also good. Black is also good. And unless it's a very formal event, we try to do away with very deep, dark purple. More in the lavender, subtle shade. Sometimes you even get a little bit of periwinkle in it, right? Okay, here we go. In terms of makeup, there you go. It's nice to play with purple. Make sure that you have matching colors on your clothes to match the purple, especially because purple and lavender, they're on the pastel side. So you can't be wearing anything that's earth, like red or orange or brown. They will not match with purple. You want to wear something pastel. And for lipstick, wear something pink. Pink and not red. So maroon lipstick, if you really want to go dark, but you see, dark lipstick is not for everyone. Like, I feel that when I put dark lipstick, I look really, really old and I really look stern. And that's why I stick to light colors. And for this kind of shade and this kind of topic, I actually am wearing pink lipstick and my pink lip gloss. So let me show you what I'm wearing, what kind of lipstick. This is actually E, which is my favorite, one of my favorite brands because it's also so cheap. I got this for $3. This is my all-time favorite shade. Number 3, Bold. And see this one. There you go. And for my lip gloss, this is L'Oreal Infallible Lip Gloss. It's number 880. There you go, number 880. And of course, I just put this gloss at the center of my lips to create that full, plump, forward effect. There you go. And of course, accessories. You know, just because you're wearing purple doesn't mean that you have to wear purple accessories. Accessories should complement your clothes. They should match them, almost like opposite colors, right? Or complementary colors. So if you wear a very light and subtle lavender color, the best accessories would be, of course, simple earrings like this, silver, not gold. White gold or silver would be the best accessories. And of course, for your nails, something that's also silvery, on the light side, right? Nothing earth, but more pastel. You also want to think about your hair color, right? And there are colors that will not bring out the beautiful color or tint of your hair. So a lot of things. And I know, I'm so sorry. We have to think of so many things just because we want to look good, right? But you know what? Come to think of it, that's true. We're going to buy anyway, or we're looking through our wardrobe anyway. We may as well mix and match correctly, right? And then that way, when we step out of the house and go wherever we're going, we know that we are properly dressed. Of course, for shoes, again, for this color, the best is white, off-white, or a subtle shade of very light, very, very light gray, almost white. Or at night, I would go for silver accessories, white gold. I know that navy blue is also the color of royalty, but purple has also been regarded as the color of royalty. But it has a little bit of valor added into it. It's the color of someone who's gone through a lot, gone through some struggles, and survived. That's why for mental health, the color purple is also used because it's an attitude. It's a color that's screaming courage and bravery. You've been through a lot and now you want to sparkle, you want to shine. You want to show the world that, hey, I am a survivor. Try wearing purple. or lavender, and let me know how you feel. I really hope you're liking this episode. I thought I should do a little bit of a series of colors and see how they actually play a role in our lives, especially now that we're older. Because, when we were younger, maybe we were more adventurous, we were more bold with our color choices. And then suddenly in our 40s or 50s, we sort of become more conservative and we want to be safe because, we're thinking, oh, I'm getting old. But, when we are in our 40s and you're thinking, oh my gosh, no, I'm already old. Not anymore now, because 60 is the new 40, right? Age is an attitude. It's a frame of mind. I'm 63 and I don't feel 63. And of course, my wrinkles and but my number 11, but I don't feel 63. I'm actually feeling so renewed, almost like refreshed, like a computer that you restarted. Because now I want to experiment on a lot of things. So now I want to really give it a try and see, hey, I've been missing out, right? So don't miss out. When you're in your 40s, you're in your 50s, don't ever tell yourself that you're too old to dress up with various colors, because the only way for you to know how amazing you are is if you give it a try. And back in the day, we would be concerned about how people talk about us. They go like, oh my gosh, you're older, dress your age, whatever. Well, I'm dressing my age. I'm dressing as a 63-year-old woman because I love to feel good about myself. And I want you to dress that way. I hope you're liking this episode. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel because I try to come up with episodes and topics that are very exciting and relevant, especially for us older women, right? Or if you're in your 40s, you're an adult woman and you're probably in the middle of, what do I do? Can I still wear this? Is this appropriate? Well, come to my channel because we talk about many things that make us feel good about ourselves, right? Because, yes, I don't want you to miss out. That's my biggest takeaway. As we get older, as we have more responsibilities, we become moms or aunties and all that stuff, don't ever forget yourself. Always remember that life is short. The years will pass, and if you don't enjoy them, and if you don't pamper yourself, and if you don't take care of yourself or listen to your desires, they will pass. And sometimes the opportunities are gone. Don't ever deprive yourself of these opportunities. Enjoy life. You deserve it. And yes, try different colors. Try purple. There are a lot of good makeup brands that are affordable. And I'm going to put links in the description below so that you can go check out my Amazon shop. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you buy from my Amazon store, the price is the same if you bought anywhere on Amazon, but I do get a little commission. So that's just a little bit of a disclaimer there. So just so you know. But yes, I'm going to put links to these beautiful products because I'd love you to be able to enjoy them and not have to spend so much, right? Especially when you're trying. And remember, when you're trying to put makeup, less is best. Don't dab so much and don't dip your brush so deeply so that you get lots of color and then you put them on your face and it's very hard to remove. You'll have to remove the entire thing, right? So always get and then tap. Get and then tap. For example, this is my bronzer. This is a Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. How do you put bronzer on the side of your face, right? So don't just dip your brush and then go straight for your face. Because first of all, there will be more color on that part that was dipped so hard and deep than the ones outside. So it won't be even. So you want to just tap a little bit and then put. I may as well finish this stuff. There you go. Well, I have this screen when I'm filming. I have this screen that tells me if I'm still center camera, but it's very far, so I can't even see. But oh yeah, I have a mirror. So yeah, there. So yeah, dip and then tap. Oh my gosh, we women, we have so many things, right? Look at the men. They don't have to worry about these things. They have other worries too, but they don't have to put makeup. Well, they have their hair to worry about, and I don't know what men worry about. But we women, we know what we worry about. So that's why we're sharing our stories, right? Well, don't forget to follow me on my social media platform. Instagram at The Real D, TikTok at The Real D. I put it back now to at The Real D. I put my TikTok at Jackie D before. I changed it now to The Real D, so it matches my Instagram. But my YouTube stays as Jackie D. And don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page, which is very, very new. And it's called Self-Esteem Through the Years. And I feel it's appropriate for us women because we gotta keep self-esteem. We gotta keep our self-esteem high. The older we get, the more steady we should be, right? Why? Because we're older, we're more experienced, we've learned a lot of lessons, we've been there, we've done that, and that's why we're here, very equipped to share story, right? Okay, I love you and I thank you so much for following me, for following my channel, for subscribing to my channel. And don't forget, you can also sign up for my newsletter on my website, jackied.com. Just go to my website, find the contact page, or even on the main page, and then just type your email address and sign up for my newsletter. But you'll be surprised, I don't really send any newsletters, but just in case one day I'm finally able to okay, I'm gonna create my newsletter, because I haven't had the time to do that. I just do vlogging and that's all. So that one day when I finally go oh my gosh, I'm gonna send a special Christmas card or whatever, then I can send you one because you are on my list, right? So only if you want, but I hope you do. Well, I hope you are enjoying spring so far, and summer is, before you know it, it'll be summer and it'll be warm or hot even wherever you are, depending on wherever you are. But make sure to always stay hydrated, and don't forget to take care of your skin. Don't ever sleep with makeup, especially because we're talking about makeup. Make sure to wash your face very well. I have a video about how to wash your face properly, which also was actually talked about by respected dermatologist Dr. Anil Rajani. I was just so surprised because he talked about it and I go oh my gosh, that's how I wash my face, right? So don't miss that episode, and love yourself. You are fabulous, and remember, there's no one like you. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Bye for now.